Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 ways to stay happy. Let's get started. Most of the human beings around us want two things from their life. One is to be successful and second thing is to be happy. Now success is a derivation of hard work and persistence. But the second thing, to be happy, can be achieved anytime, anywhere with very simple ways. You have to be happy. You have to look for happiness within yourself and also try to make your surroundings or people around you happy. Sometimes it gets difficult to do so, and that's why today I'll share my ways. How do I do it? How do I find happiness within me? Also help people around me being happy are some of the ways which I do. Let's start sharing that with you all. My first way of being happy is to be grateful. Now, the attitude of gratitude is something which I have learned myself through some experiences in my life, and since then I have been practicing it. It is really helpful, and I have seen differences in myself when I started expressing my gratitude towards everyone who have helped me come this far in life, and to also celebrate the successes of life. For example, first of all, you can thank yourself for being so persistent in your life that you have been able to achieve whatever you have achieved so far. And also the Almighty. You should always say a prayer or two before going to bed to the Almighty to say thanks, so that you are able to live this life which many of around you would not be able to at this point. And also to your peers, your friends, colleagues, family, your near and dear ones. So that is something that really helps me. The second way to stay happy is to live in the moment. You should be able to realize that the present is the building block of the future that you all dream of. I use this philosophy in my life that you have to take one day at a time. Breathe in that moment, let that sink in, because that creates an awareness within yourself. Once you're aware of yourself, of your surroundings, of your present, only then you can take upon the future challenges. My third way of staying happy is to keep moving. When I say keep moving, is make or take smallest of the efforts each day towards your goal. That gives you a sense of progress, and you realize that you're doing something, and when you do something, eventually that makes you happy. The fourth way to be happy or to stay happy despite of the consequences of the surroundings is to do your best and leave the rest. Now when you keep moving and keep taking small efforts each day to achieve your goal, chances are that the outcome is most likely sometimes in your favor and sometimes may not be in your favor. Now what do you do at that time? Do you sit back and think a lot on the what happened, or do you keep moving? What I mentioned in my previous way. So I choose every time to keep moving. It could be something as small as, for me, it could be something, maybe writing a post in the draft, half of it, maybe only think about the title, and then the next day be energetic enough to complete it, but not let the results or somebody's reactions, comments affect you in a way that you stop moving. No, you should not. The fifth and the last way of staying happy is also one of my favorite, is being a motivator for others to do their best. Now, there are scenarios where people are struggling in achieving their goals. People around you, it could be your colleagues, could be your friends, it could be somebody in your family. In those situations, if you be an enabler for those people who are struggling in achieving their goals and help them push their limits basically to achieve their objectives, or help them find a solution to their problem, it could be anything. But once they're able to do it with your tiny push or a nudge, that really gives me a sense of satisfaction, and by looking at their smiling faces, it eventually makes me happy. And I have seen that this is something which really pushes me also to keep on doing my work or keep on achieving my goal, so that I can be an enabler to somebody else. So these were some quick 5 ways which I use to stay happy and be in the moment. That really helps me to not worry a lot about the future and be consistent with my goals and dreams. I hope you like it, and if you have any other way with which you try to be happy and keep moving, please do share me in the comments below. And thank you for watching this video.